If you want to unlink your OneDrive account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are no longer connected. This process will help you manage your privacy and account settings effectively. Step 1. Log into Facebook. Open your web browser and go to the Facebook website. Enter your login credentials to access your Facebook account. Step 2. Access settings. Once logged in, click on the downward arrow in the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. Step 3. Navigate to Apps and Websites. In the left sidebar, find and click on Apps and Websites. This section will show you all the applications linked to your Facebook account. Step 4. Find OneDrive. Scroll through the list of apps until you locate OneDrive. Click on it to view the details of the connection between your Facebook account and OneDrive. Step 5. Remove OneDrive. After selecting OneDrive, look for the option to remove or unlink the app. Click on Remove and confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the disconnection is completed. By following these steps, you will successfully unlink your OneDrive account from Facebook. If you have any further questions or need assistance, feel free to reach out for help.